Hey everybody, Artem here, and welcome back to the shop. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of woodworking, but with a twist. We're gonna be your own personal mythbusters, testing out some of the most popular woodworking life hacks out there. You know how it is? You're in the middle of a project, the creative juices are flowing, and bam! You run into a problem. Well, fear not, my friend, because today we're arming you with the knowledge to conquer those woodworking woes like a pro. We're talking about those little tricks and shortcuts that seem too good to be true. Do they really work? Are they worth your precious shop time? Stick around to find out. Let's get building! Alright, let's kick things off with a super common woodworking woe. Wood splitting when you're drilling. It's a total mood killer. But fear not, because this first hack claims to be the ultimate splinter stopper. All you need is a simple rubber band. Wrap that rubber band around your workpiece, right where you'll be drilling. The idea is that the rubber band's tension helps to hold the wood fibers together, preventing that dreaded split. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Next up, we're talking precision, people. Because let's face it, accurate measurements are the backbone of any great woodworking project. This hack is all about ditching the fancy marking tools and embracing the humble pencil. Yeah, you heard that right. A sharp pencil can give you those fine, crisp lines you need for precise cuts and alignments. No more wonky shelves or uneven table legs. Chapter 3. Magnetic Mayhem Taming Your Metal Menagerie. Let's be real, we've all been there. You're on a roll with a project and suddenly, a crucial screw or nail goes MIA. It's like they vanish into thin air. But this next hack promises to banish those disappearing acts with the power of magnets. Keep a strong magnet handy in your workspace, and use it as a holding pen for your metal fasteners. No more frantic searching or accidental trips to the hardware store mid-project. Chapter 4, Scrapwood Superhero, the Tear-Out Avenger. Now let's talk tear-out. You know those nasty splinters and chunks that happen when you're cutting or drilling, especially with plywood? It's like the woodworking equivalent of a bad hair day. But fear not, because this next hack claims to be the ultimate tear-out avenger, and all it takes is a piece of scrap wood. Simply clamp that scrap wood behind your workpiece, and voila! It acts as a sacrificial barrier, taking the brunt of the tear-out so your actual project stays smooth and pristine. Chapter 5. Clothespin to the rescue, the tiny nail whisperer. Alright, this last hack is for all my fellow klutzes out there. You know that heart-stopping moment when you're trying to hammer a tiny nail, and you're pretty sure you're going to miss and nail your finger to the workbench? Yeah, not fun. But worry no more. This hack suggests using a clothespin as your own personal nail-holding assistant. Just pop that nail into the clothespin's jaws, and you've got a safe and stable platform for hammering. No more smashed fingers. So there you have it. 5 woodworking life hacks put to the test. Which ones were your favorites? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to share your own go-to woodworking tips and tricks. If you're as passionate about woodworking as I am, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future woodworking adventures. Thanks for joining me in the shop today, and until next time, happy woodworking.